We're here today to show you how to install your very own drop stop in your vehicle. Mark is going to walk you through a very simple step-by-step installation process. So with no further delay, Mark, take it away.
Please step into my office. Now, the first and most important step to installing your drop stop, the #1 step, is to put this seat back, this part of your seat, all the way back like this to where it's almost flat. If you don't do this, it makes it very difficult to install, and as you can see, it opens up the gap area and makes it very easy to get your hands down. Also notice I'm sitting in the opposite seat. If you sit in the same seat you're installing in, your butt's going to push that seat cushion up against the gap and make it also very difficult to install. Now, the next step is to use DropStop's patented seatbelt slot. Right here, goes around the seatbelt, just like this. So that's the first thing. You push your hands like this, all the way down till you get it all the way to the bottom of that belt. Then, because DropStop's squishy and stretchy, you stretch it, you pull it tight all the way from the front like this. And while it's tight, you push it down like this and make it super streamlined. Push it down in the back, put the seat back up, and just like that in seconds, you're never dropping anything again, and it moves back and forth with your seat because it's always attached to that belt.
Thank you so much for your support, and remember, don't drop and drive.
The new and improved BESTRIX CM12 magnetic car mount provides your smartphone with extra safety and convenience and is compatible with all types of vehicles. It can be easily installed on any smooth surface dashboard. Clean the dashboard surface with a wet towel and wait for it to dry. Place the screw nut onto the ball head. Fit the magnetic head onto the ball head and push until you hear a click. Turn the screw nut counterclockwise to adjust and lock the magnetic head. Choose the optimal location for your convenience. Adjust the mount's arm angle and magnetic head before locking the suction cup. Remove the protective paper from the gel pad. Press down the suction cup's base to remove all air from underneath. While pressing the suction cup's base down, move the locking lever into lock position. Place the metal plate between your phone and your case, or you can stick it directly onto your phone or case. Now you can attach your phone to the magnetic head. You can place it at any angle you choose. To detach the phone, simply pull it off the magnetic mount. To renew the suction of the cup, simply rinse it under warm water and dry.
The KM18 firstly adapts the big screen technology. It has one USB charge port and features with a sleek gooseneck for easier access to the device. The KM18 Plus is upgraded with on-off switch to avoid draining battery out for some cars. The KM19 is the compact version of KM18. It is designed with two USB ports, one for charging and the other for reading USB files. Nulaxy, driving you safer and better.